guys, oh my gosh, so this is a new vlog, and of course, as you've noticed, Kaskasan Buddies is now the official partner, and official partner na rin natin si Union Bank of the Philippines. So all of your credit card needs direct na siya partnership with Union Bank. And this month, sa launching promo, there's two new promos here, which is the Union Bank Rewards credit card. You get 50,000 rewards points when you get approved. It should be your first Union Bank credit card, and wala ka pang Citi credit card back then. And naman, meron tayong Union Bank U Platinum card. Ito naman sa Union Bank U, ang kagandahan naman dito is, guys, no annual fee for life siya. When you apply, it's a good starter credit card, and may promo siya that can get Spotify for free of charge yon, o di ba bongga naman, guys. So without further ado, what I'm going to do is, I think we've never done a video where we're going to apply for a credit card talaga mismo, and I've never had the Citibank na Simplicity credit card back then. As in, never ko talaga siya nagkaroon, and now nung naging U Platinum Visa credit card siya, parang gusto ko siya makuha kasi ang ganda ng credit card, and it's a no annual fee for life credit card. So I really wanted to get one. So without further ado, I'm going to do and apply for that credit card. So first things first, I'm going to go to the Kaskasan Buddies na Facebook page because nandito yung zero annual fee for life nila na Union Bank U credit card. So here we have the link here, so I'm just going to click it. And then guys, ang importante dito, when you're going to open this, open natin siya diretso sa web browser natin. So open in external browser. Kasi para mas legit, or hindi man mas legit, paminsan mas stable siya pag nakalabas siya rather than using it in the Facebook Messenger or Facebook app na browser. Paminsan kasi hindi mo masabi kung nagkakatok siya or basta, alam niyo na yan. So, with this, ganito lang siya kasimple. Ito yung makikita mo. The first page here is your mobile number verification. Check if this is the card that you wanted to apply. So yes, I want the Union Bank U Visa Platinum. And ang kagandahan dito, guys, no annual fee for life sa Union Bank U Visa Platinum. Number 2, you get 10% interest rebate or cashback if you pay your minimum amount due on or before your due date. But syempre, ang lagi sinasabi sa inyo, do not pay your minimum amount due. Dapat lahat talaga ng bayaran mo is pay in full on or before your due date. And of course, lahat ng promos ng Union Bank, you are qualified even if this is your basic Union Bank U Visa Platinum credit card. So, beginner credit card siya, beginner-friendly credit card siya. If it will be your first credit card, pwede mo rin siya i-try to apply as well. So, without further ado, let us do and let's try it out. So, first things first, I need to input my mobile number. Guys, syempre, this will all be blocked. You have to do it yourself. And then, importante dito is you have to select an ID beforehand. So, yung ID na pwede mo gamitin is your passport with signature. So, yung passport with signature, dapat yung first page and yung second page. So, yung buong spread. Then, your driver's license, it has to be the card. Phil Postal Service ID, card version din to. PRC ID, card version din to. SSS, photo card type ha. So, guys, meaning matigas to. And then, your UMID. And if ever, you also have your PhilSys or your national ID. So, what I'm going to do today, since I have my PhilSys here, I will click on my PhilSys. And I am going to make sure that I confirm and continue. Guys, make sure that your ID is at least valid 30 days, calendar date bago siya mag-expire or sa application date. Then, must be a valid ID card or fast passport. Must match the name that you're going to input or register. And then the ID should be right side up, clear, readable, no glares, no flash. And dapat may address yung ID mo para hindi na sila humingi ng other information sa'yo. Laminated ID with manually fixed photo is not acceptable. So please be careful of that. And then after that, click on continue. So syempre, ilo-load niya yung mga meron siyang information. And ang importante dito is makukuha na natin ang OTP. And then there you go, guys. So nakuha ko na yung OTP ko. Yes, lumabas ako para makuha yung OTP ko. Pero it is what it is. Carry lang yun. Magagawa natin siya. So, after your OTP, you will be asked now to submit your identity card, which is the front of your card. So, meron akong identity card, which is my PhilSys ID. And yes, mukha akong Sasa girl dito sa aking ID, guys. As in, boom. Putok na putok ang aking blush on. Papakita ko sa inyo. Boom! Sasa girl. O, diba? Okay, now you're going to click on submit. Take a photo of the front of your ID. So guys, make sure pag front of, i-blur ko to, make sure malinaw po yung take ng photo mo, basahin mo, review mo, and then use the photo. Make sure it is clear and unobstructed. Yes, it's clear and unobstructed. And then upload, and then take a photo of your back ID. Guys, to make sure na lagi to, kailangan nyo i-allow yung camera usage nun. Sa mga browsers nyo, paminsan they're asking, do you allow to use camera sa phone mo, sa mga Android, sa mga iOS? Kailangan mo i-click yung allow. You have to make sure ina-allow mo or sa settings. If hindi siya gumagana, change your device. Change, pwede kayo sa desktop, pwede kayo sa other phones, pwede kayo sa iPad. And then next is take a selfie. So continue to take a selfie. And then here, di ba nakita nyo to, allow camera access. Dapat i-click nyo tong enable camera. Ayan, and then apply.ccpl, Union Bank would like to access, click on allow. O, diba? And then, nandito yung picture mo. And then, click on upload. Pag yun yung nakuha mong photo. O, diba? Pwede ka mag-smile, kailangan guys, hindi naka-blink yung mata mo, kailangan kita yung mga tenga mo, ganun yung mga importante when they're reviewing your credit card application as well. So guys, make sure nyo yun. And then, loading, please wait for a minute. Dahil I have a previous credit card, dahil nakita nila yung ID ko, then they would like to get me to know me better, na i-input na lahat ng mga details ito. Yung first name ko, nandito na siya, pero guys, you can also correct it. Paminsan kasi, yung middle name ko is mali, i-correct ko. And then, make sure you have your last name, and then tingnan mo yung ID mo, tama ba? Philsys yung nakasulat, tingnan mo kung birthday mo, tama rin. And then make sure that the email mo is also correct. Guys, to also make sure guys, etong importante ito, kung Philsys ID mo, ito bang ID number, tama yung nakuha ng system. Make sure that you review this as well. Kasi paminsan, mali yung nakukuha expiry date, mali yung nakukuhang validity, mali yung name. Kailangan mo i-double check. Kasi kung hindi mo na double check yan guys, paminsan doon nagkakaroon ng error sa application natin, doon nagkaka-challenge yung application form natin, doon nagkakaroon ng problema yung application form natin. So please double check the number. And everything, if it's confirmed, tama ba lahat, click on I confirm, I authorize as well, and then confirm and continue. So isa-send lahat ng details mo sa Union Bank, then okay, hintayin mo siya para i-process. So guys, my reminder here as well, always number one, confirm, double check all of your information kung tama, kung correct, the numbers, the expiry date. Those are very important kasi computer ang nag-generate nito from the ID that you've submitted. So paminsan, syempre, medyo malabo or magkakaroon ng error, nagkakamali yung number. Huwag ka submit na lang submit kasi pag ganun yung nangyayari, submit ka ng submit. Guys, ang problema dyan, hindi tama yung na-submit, uulitin mo talaga siya kasi made-deny lang yung application mo, di ba? Sometimes it's also our challenge Hindi natin check yan, di ba? Paminsan gusto lang natin matapos, yun ang problema. Perfect, ayan, di ba? Then now, tell us more about yourself, the status, nationality, employee, sector, ganito. So guys, every time you're gonna do this, make sure na tama rin yung sinasubmit nyo. Huwag po tayo magsusulat-sulat ng kahit ano-ano lang, especially employment sector mo. Ano yung job mo talaga? Self-employed ka ba? Diba? Ang dami naman dito, government employee ka ba? Private sector ka ba? OFW ka ba? Pwede naman OFW basta you have your documents na Philippines ready. Pwede, pero you have to make sure meron. Retired, self-employed, business, all of this, it has to still be legit. Diba? And the name of your company and nature of your business, nandito rin siya So, ang daming mga selection dito, you have to make sure that it's legit and it's true. Hindi po yan pwede na kahit ano-ano lang po linalagay nyo. Kung ano yung negosyo mo, yun yung ilagay nyo. I know that I've heard a lot of people out there na parang, ipeke mo, ilagay mo to. I don't promote any of those. Lying in any way or form is not something that I would promote because you want to just get a credit card. Hindi siya dapat ginagawa at hindi siya tamang gawin. Okay, so while that's happening, I'll just fill in my details. Guys, whenever you're gonna put in your gross annual income also, make sure that it also includes your basic pay and your 13th month for the year. So that's gross. Kasi lahat-lahat talaga na nakukuha mo, that's your gross. And then if everything is correct, just click on confirm and continue. And then, guys, next thing, di ba? Re-review ko na naman details. Home address. Guys, pagdating ng home address mo, kailangan tama, legit, correct rin to. Huwag kayong maglalagay-lagay ng mga home address nyo kasi dito i-deliver yung credit card. Kung mali yan, hindi rin yung malalagay at hindi yung makukuha yung credit card nyo. So, please make sure it is tama, it is legit. May example na dyan, susundan nyo na lang yung example na yan. So, make sure that tama ang mga sinusulat nyo dito. First is your street home, di ba, with the number, and then barangay. Make sure tama rin po ang paglagay ng barangay nyo, and even your zip code, kasi importante po yun. And then here is what is your preferred mailing address, guys. So, dapat tama rin yung paglagay ng mailing address. Saan yung bahay niyan? Ako, personally, sa bahay ko gusto ilagay. So, hindi ko na kailangan ilagay yung other address kasi it's the same as my address naman talaga. Okay? And then, tell us more about ourselves or yourself. Place of birth mo, saan ka pinanganak. Guys, kailangan ilagay nyo rin yan dito, okay? Dapat tama rin siya. So, I was born in this city. And then, your source of funds. Paano ka kumukuha ng funds mo? When it comes to source of funds, ito po yung mga possible na pwede mong gawin. Inheritance, virtual currency, personal trading, business income, pension, investment, salary, personal FX trading, donation from family, donation from non-family, allowances, ang dami pa. And then, if everything's correct, make sure that lahat linagay nyo po. Diba? Details should all be correct. And then click on confirm and continue. Application has been saved and then nandito na yung aking application reference number. So you can take a screenshot of this, meaning at least alam mo na kung nakuha na nila. With this, meaning yan, yes, nakuha na ni Union Bank yung application mo. Then you can just save it and then i-inform naman kayo kung approved ka sa application form mo. So ganun lang siya kasimple. Okay guys, so I got an SMS from Union Bank na kailangan ko siyang to submit the documents. So I copied the link first and then linagay ko siya dito sa web browser ko. Now it's asking me for an OTP. And then guys, kailangan ko mag-submit ng documents. At sinasabi ko na kailangan mo mag-submit ng documents. Apparently mahihingi sa akin. So here, document upload. Either latest ITR, W2 form with TIN, original certificate of employment, latest audited financial statement, payslip, no older than 30 days or another payslip. So if ever I just have an ITR, yun yung gagamitin ko na lang kasi I'm going to submit it. So what I'm gonna do now is I just need to look for my latest ITR. So, ayun. So now you see, pwede mo na i-submit. So latest ITR, ganun siya. And then select file, photo library, and then select the document. And then afterwards, we just click on submit application. And then, you have successfully completed your application. Then that's when we know na nasubmit na natin yung documents natin. O diba? Ganun lang. Now, my reminders when you're applying for a credit card. Number one, make sure that you have a physical ID ready because you need that physical ID. So, katulad ko, ano yung mga ID na meron ako basta government, dapat card rin siya, guys. Hindi po siya pwedeng paper version. Number two, make sure that your documents are also ready. If ever paminsan naghahanap yan ng proof of billing, so Meralco bill mo, tubig mo, basta it has to be your name, di ba? Kailangan may name mo, credit card bill mo, statement, may pangalan mo, may address, and it has to be recent. Usually, 3 months. Previous na 3 months, dapat ganun ka-recent yon. And then yung ID nyo rin, guys, dapat hindi expired ang ID nyo. Dapat valid pa rin yung ID na yon. At least 30 days from your application. Then, some other reminders. If ever hanapan kayo ng ITR nyo or payslip, dapat ready rin kayo. Some banks will require for ITR or payslip mo. ITR, ito yung income tax mo. Yung form na binibigay sa atin every single year, pinapasign natin if we have yung sa work natin, di ba? And other things there, other credit card companies, other banks will also require you an existing credit card. So, binibigay mo yung credit card number mo and hanggang expiry date. Huwag nyo ibibigay yung CVV, CBC number. Ito yung 3-digit number sa likod. Hindi po yan pinapamigay. Hindi po rin hinihingi usually when you're applying for a credit card. And then, last but not the least, review. Dapat legit ang mga documents, legit ang sinusulat natin sa forms natin. Huwag po tayo mandadaya. And dapat lahat truthful, lahat tama rin yung ilalagay natin para syempre higher chances tayo ma-approve as well for that credit card. So, if all else fails naman, pag nahirapan talaga tayo kumuha ng credit card, it might be credit score natin is not as good yet. Paminsan nagkakaroon, there's so many other factors kaya hindi tayo na-approve for your credit card. We can always go with a secured credit card. May video ako about the secured credit card. Pwede nyo aralin more about the secured credit card. It can be a good jumping stone or a stepping stone to get your credit card. Diba? Iba-iba kanya-kanyang buhay yan, kanya-kanyang storya yan, kanya-kanyang experience in getting your first credit card. So, don't fret. Once you're ready, apply for a credit card. Diba? We're not saying na lahat ng tao dapat magka-credit card ngayon. No. I believe na you should get a credit card when you're ready, when you have your proper knowledge on finance, when alam mo kung paano gamitin yung pera mo, because you don't want to fall into that pitfall na apply ka nga ng apply, meron ka mga credit card, pero baon ka naman sa utang, di ba? That's not the right way of using your credit card. Credit card should be used to pay it always in full, just earn the points, get the perks, and in cases na kailangan mo to expand businesses, some revenue generating business idea that you might have that you know na kayang kumita ng pera yan, then a lot of them, they use their available credit with very, very low and good interest rate that's given to them because they are a good payer sa credit card na yan, sa bangko na yan. And legit nga, di ba? Na binibigyan sila ng magandang offer. So, you know, follow for more of those vlogs kasi we will always share those. And of course, follow Kaskasan Buddies din kasi ang daming mga magagandang stories talaga ng mga buddies doon about the proper usage of credit card promos and perks and tips. So, yun talaga yun, guys. Anyways, that's how I did. That's how I'm going to apply for my Union Bank U Platinum Credit Card. Iintayin ko na lang kung ma-approve tayo dyan. And then, kung meron man yan, alam nyo na ang unboxing yan. Bye, guys!